Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by checking prerequisites. Make sure your battery health is acceptable and you're on Wi-Fi so learn charging works. Once done, unlock the device and open settings. Navigate directly to battery or battery health. You'll see usage stats and controls. Tap the option labeled Optimized Battery Charging or similar. You're not calibrating here, you're enabling a feature that delays charging past 80% until you need it. Follow the on-screen toggle and keep reading for the detailed steps. Now you'll configure the nuanced settings that make optimized charging effective. After enabling the toggle, choose a charging schedule if the OS offers one or confirm it can learn from overnight habits. Make sure location and sleep schedule permissions are granted so the system predicts your wake time accurately. You should also opt into notifications about battery conditioning. Once these are set, let the device observe a few cycles. The algorithm needs patterns to delay final charging intelligently. Finish by observing behavior across the next 3 to 5 charge cycles. You should see charging pause around 80% and complete near your wake time. If the feature seems inactive, disable and re-enable it, then plug in overnight again. This often resets learn timing. If problems continue, restart the device and check for an OS update. Outdated firmware can break prediction. One key troubleshooting tip: if battery drain is excessive, temporarily turn off optimized charging to test whether it's related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.